This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Carol Cattle. Light and spacious home built in 1996, located in the lovely Portal Creek Park 55+ community. Generous living room with vaulted ceilings opens to private deck. Open kitchen west/pantry, informal dining and laundry area. All appliances stay. Primary bedroom west/full bath and large walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms west/full bath nearby. Plenty of extra storage in the oversized 2-car garage with extra level parking. Community clubhouse available as well. Affordable space rent and close to shopping, medical and I-5 access. Peace and quiet, but just minutes to town. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Cattle at 360-671-5000.